Hi, my name is Christine. I'm from BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Today I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know about shipping your precious pieces. Shipping jewelry requires some special care. After all, your jewelry item is a little bitty thing, it's worth a whole lot of money, and it's usually tied straight to your heart. Some of the reasons we may be shipping jewelry is that maybe we shop online and it's time to return something, or if warranty work or yearly inspections are due, that may also require shipping, or you could just be sending an item as a gift. Here's some tips when you do have to ship. First of all, multi-packaging is very important. You can see this is a box that came to me. The item was in a padded pack, or you could also use an envelope inside. It was also in 2 separate boxes. This keeps the item from moving around and perhaps getting damaged, but it also makes the box very hard to be broken into. They'd have to go through multiple layers. So that's the first thing. Next thing is you never want to use the address that says anything to give a clue that it's going to a jewelry store. You don't want to use the word diamonds or gems or anything like that, jewelry. Maybe use just the letters or something like that instead of the name of the jewelry store. Also, you're going to want to have a signature required for every delivery, an adult signature required. You're never going to want to use a drop-off service. You want to go to a location where you can watch the box being scanned. Remember, once it's scanned, it can be tracked. So we don't want to take it to a Walgreens or something like that. Also, never want to ship on a Friday. When you ship on a Friday, that means your item is going to be sitting in a warehouse over the weekend, so you don't want that. So just hold off till Monday, do Tuesday delivery if you need to. Taking precautions while shipping jewelry is always the best practice. So is insuring your items with BriteCo.